Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing so good. For today's video, I am coming to you with a full face of Colourpop. I can't believe I've never done that before because I have so much Colourpop makeup. So now is a good time, especially with that last haul. So let me jump straight into it because there's a bunch of new stuff in here I want to try out. The first thing I need to do is hydrate my lips, so I'm using some of this lip plumping gloss. This is the clear one from the Lizzie McGuire collection. It does have shimmer in it, but it is really plumping, like in a non-painful way. Lips are hydrated, so I'm gonna take this turmeric face milk. I actually use these to moisturize and prime my face. It's such a good primer. I don't see a lot of people using Colourpop face milks, but they're really good, especially this turmeric one. It has a nice glow to it, you'll see. And even though I'm doing my eyes first today, I do want this to like really soak in properly. This is a pretty glow it gives the skin, and it's not greasy, it's not heavy, it's very lightweight and sinks to skin nicely. I don't believe Colourpop has an eye primer, so I'm just going to use this hyaluronic creamy concealer. All of the shades will be listed in the description box, so have no fear, children. Ooh, that blend really easy. Okay. I think I want to do a cut crease look today. I feel like I haven't done one in a very long time. So if it comes out kind of rinky-dinky, don't judge me. I just have not been playing too much with eyeshadow lately. Like, I just focus on complexion, but I need to get back in the eyeshadow game. I'm gonna speed through doing my brows because I think that's kind of boring. So I'm using the Colourpop Precision Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. So for the eyes, I want to use this Misunderstood palette. This was the Disney Villains palette. I realized I never used this. I don't know how, I never even swatched it. But I also want to try to incorporate some of these matte eyeshadow sticks I picked up. So I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Because I really want to try this red lip stain, and this and red, not really working. But I think I could try to do like a neutral look with the pop of red. That's sounding like a plan. So I'm gonna start off with this light cream shade in my crease. Oh, this palette doesn't have a mirror, that sucks. That color is not showing up on my skin tone at all, but it's kind of setting that concealer a bit, so that's fine. Using a smaller blending brush, I'm gonna take this navy blue shade here and start building up on the crease. This one's really pigmented, like wow. I know it looks a little crazy, but trust the process. Or it could just be a flop. Time to cut the crease, so I'm using this flat brush and the same concealer I primed with. Let's hope this goes well. So the crease is cut, and I'm gonna use this matte eyeshadow stick in the shade Style and Ease to just define the crease a little bit more. So I need to concentrate here. I hope it's showing up on camera because it is working really good. Okay, so I'm starting to look like people. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna take this nude matte eyeshadow stick and apply it all over my crease because I want to use a shimmer to just have this area pop. The shade sticks are a little dry, but as expected because it's a matte formula. But I actually really like it. I feel like it's making this look way easier. Now that I have this base laid down, I want to go in with the shimmer here. It's this kind of iridescent dual shifting color. Like, can you see that? It's really interesting. And I'm just applying it directly with my finger. Oh, that is really pretty. It's definitely like a topper shade. Now I'm gonna attempt a red winged eyeliner using one of the Colourpop BFF liners. I think it's running out on me. I've had this for a little while now. Come on, man. You can do it. You can do it. Okay, so I think it's time I officially throw away this liner. Nothing is coming out again, so I got something out of it. Lashes will hide it. I don't have any Colourpop lashes, so I'm gonna pop those on off camera and I'll be right back. How pretty are these lashes? It's the Kenzie Beauty lash in the style Glam. This is their mix pack and it's the second row. Oh my gosh, it's so lightweight. Very flirty. Time for foundation. This is the Pretty Fresh Hydrating Foundation. They said it's skin perfecting, medium buildable coverage for natural healthy looking skin. There's also hyaluronic acid in here, which is known to hydrate and support healthy looking skin, and coconut water for extra hydration. That's interesting. I'm gonna give it a good shaky shake. I'm gonna apply a pump of it, maybe two. Oh, it's a very runny, liquidy formula, so I should probably dot this on my face. Oh, that seems like a good match. Taking my buffing brush. Oh wow, that actually has really good coverage. It reminds me of their no filter foundation, except this has a glow. Okay, Colourpop, okay. It doesn't have any fragrance, so that's good. But this is the side with the foundation. No foundation. Foundation. No foundation. I think it's really pretty. I think it's quite comparable to the no filter foundation, to be honest. I didn't need those two pumps. I could have gotten away with a pump and a half because this has really decent coverage. It's really pretty actually. I still have some left on my palette, so that's good. You don't need a lot of this foundation. I do have two of the concealers and one of them is closer to my skin tone, so I'm gonna use that to cancel out the dark circle, and then the other one I'll use it to brighten. I see many people make that mistake where they just go in with their highlighter shade and it's like, it looks great, it looks really terrible. Don't be one of those people, okay? That literally blended in 2 seconds. Wow. And it has decent coverage. Finally, an affordable concealer that I actually love now. Like, I mean, look at the difference. It's so good. Now for the brightening shade. Just a little bit in that little bag area. On my chin, nose, and forehead. Did anyone notice that I am no longer using beauty sponges in my routine? I know that's like a huge thing for me because I swear by them, but my routine has changed up so much. I honestly don't need them, and I prefer brushes to keep the coverage anyway. I'm not gonna set with powder yet because I do want to use this cream bronzer from Soul Body, which is Colourpop's sister brand. This is an eyeshadow brush, but it is very big and fluffy, so I'm gonna use that to apply the bronzer. Oh, that's a really nice shade. Yes. Did that blend literally itself? Oh, okay. Now, I've heard people say that this really blends itself. It's so easy, but damn, that is really pretty. It's not making my foundation go weird either, so that's good. This is really pretty. Wow. Okay, honestly, this is way better than Fenty Cream Bronzer. Don't come for me. It is what it is. Way better. Easier to blend. The shade is prettier. To set my face, I'm using the No Filter Setting Powder in the shade Banana. This has always been a favorite of mine, so this is nothing new. This honestly is such a good, affordable setting powder to just really kind of blur out, and it really does prolong makeup wear as well. Just gonna press it into my skin. And I mean, already you can see how much more smooth this side looks than this side. Such a good powder. Just slightly clean up under the bronzer. I'm using their pressed powder blush in the shade Coast to Coast. I like this mauvey kind of muted shade because the lip is going to be very bold. I love this blush so much. It's so perfect for brown skin. Just like putting a little bit on my forehead, you know, the little youthful look. And just a touch of it across my nose. I don't want too much highlight tonight, so I'm using this Soul Body one. I forgot how blinding this is. Damn. So much for not wanting a lot of highlight. I'm gonna use a cream gel liner in my waterline. This was part of the Cherry collection. I'm just taking this tan shade on a pencil brush to blow out the waterline, just to give it a little color under there. Now for the lips, I'm gonna choose one from the lippy pencil set. This is the Bring the Heat set. This one looks right. This is in the shade Frenchie. Looks like a nice red. Yep. I'm just gonna fill in my entire lips with this. Now for the lip stain in the shade Love Bite. Oh, I'm obsessed with this packaging. Oh, I thought it would smell like cherries. It doesn't smell like anything. Oh. Wow, this feels cold. That is a really weird formula. It feels so cold on the lips. I mean, it feels nice, but damn. I swear with each swipe, it just feels cold. Okay, that is gorgeous. I wonder if this has to dry down. It's not sticky, it's very lightweight actually. Okay, I really like this formula. It's very bold. It's a very bold lip. It's a bold makeup look. But I like it. It's like, let me set it. I'm gonna set my face using their Glisten Up Mist. I will admit this is such a great dupe for the Farsali Rose Gold Spray. It leaves the exact same finish. However, the actual spritz on this, the nozzle is trash. Like, it's so aggressive. Like, I have to hold it so far away from my face because it just like splits it out at me. But it's such a pretty spray. Oh Lord. Last step is mascara on my bottom lashes. Such a good dupe for the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced, by the way. And this is the completed look. Let me know what y'all think. I truly enjoyed every product that I used except for that eyeliner. That's my fault, it's old. But I mean, the complexion is so gorgeous. I absolutely love the foundation. The concealer is definitely my new favorite. You all will definitely be seeing me using this a lot more. I definitely definitely need to get more of those. They're so creamy, they're hydrating, everything that it claims it does. I'm just so happy to have an affordable concealer option that I genuinely love. The bronzer, I love it. It's so good on my skin tone. It blends so easy. The lippy pencils, a huge hit, nothing new. Everything, I just absolutely loved everything. I enjoyed every single product. The complexion definitely won the game for me. Even the eyeshadows, well, we all know how Colourpop eyeshadows perform, really good for the price especially, so no complaints there. And yeah, I guess that sums up this full face of Colourpop. I do hope you guys like this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It would really help me out. And also do feel free to comment down below what was your favorite product from this like try on haul. I definitely love the complexion, it's my favorite, but I really want to hear from you guys. And what have you tried from Colourpop so far? And don't forget, if you have not already, make sure you are subscribed and hit the notification bell so that you are notified when I post new videos every Sunday. And also don't forget to follow me over my Instagram for more reviews and swatches, you know, the whole nine. So you guys make sure and take care of yourselves, stay safe. I will see y'all next week. Bye.